Hi everyone, welcome back to CSS in under 5 minutes. I'm Andrew from Authentic Dynamics, and today we're diving into Flexbox, one of the most powerful layout modules in CSS. Flexbox makes it easier to design flexible and efficient layouts, especially for responsive design. We'll cover the basics, the display flex, flex direction, and flex wrap. Plus we'll explore how to create flexible containers and basic Flexbox layouts. Let's get started. Let's introduce the core of Flexbox, the display flex property. This property turns a container into a flex container, enabling its children to become flex items. Flex containers can easily align and distribute their space among items, even when their size is unknown or dynamic. So in this example, the flex container div is set to display flex, making it a flex container. The child divs with the class flex item become flex items. By default, Flexbox arranges items in a row, aligning them horizontally. Next, let's explore the flex direction property, which defines the direction in which the flexed items are placed within the flex container. The most common values are row and column. Currently in this example, the flex direction is row, which arranges the items horizontally, which is actually the default behavior of Flexbox. If we would go ahead and change this to column, we'll see that the items then stack vertically, as noted here. Creating flexible containers is the foundation of Flexbox. By defining a container as display flex, you enable its children to become flexible items that can adjust and distribute space efficiently. So in this current example we have here, we use justified content space around to distribute space around items evenly, while we use align item center to vertically center the items within the container. The flex1 property ensures that each flex item grows equally to fill the available space. So the flex wrap property listed here controls whether the flex container is a single line or multi-line and the direction of the cross axis. The values can be nowrap, wrap, or wrap reverse. In this current example here, we see that it's nowrap, so all the items stay on a single line. If there are too many items to fit, they can overflow and can be scrolled horizontally. Here, currently in this example, we use flex wrap. Wrap allows items to move to the next line if there isn't enough space, creating a more flexible and responsive layout. I would also recommend users to look into Bootstrap, which is highly what Bootstrap is based off of. Very easy to use, user-friendly, completely responsive framework that is based literally on the Flexbox. The Flexbox then also can be used as a flex wrap reverse. The flex wrap reverse property wraps items to the previous line instead of the next one, reversing the order of the items. And this will really be displayed by me resizing all of this. We see how then they all end up moving in reverse. So here I've created a couple basic examples. One is a navigation bar, and the second is a responsive card layout. So in this example here, I've used Flexbox to space out the navigation items evenly across the container. Then I use justified content space between to place the items at the first item at the beginning, the last item at the end, with all other items in between spaced out equally. We can see that right here. In this example here, in the responsive card layout, I've used flex container cards to arrange the cards with flex wrap. This property allows the cards to move to the next line if there isn't enough space, making the layout responsive. Then here you can see I used flex1, 200 pixels. And this ensures that each card can grow and shrink with a base of 200 pixels. So to recap, we've introduced the core of Flexbox with display flex, explored the flex direction and the flex wrap properties, and we've demonstrated how to create a flexible container with basic Flexbox layouts. Flexbox is an incredibly powerful tool for building responsive and dynamic web designs, making layout tasks much simpler and intuitive. So in the next episode, we'll dive deeper into advanced Flexbox techniques where we'll cover properties like justify content, align items, flex grow, and more even to create sophisticated layouts. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell below so you never miss a quick CSS tip. Thank you for watching. I'm Andrew from Authentic Dynamics, and I'll see you next time.